Hey guys, what's happening? I'm starting a new episode starting Wednesday. I tried to do it last week, but I had other problems. But this is going to be tips and tricks and how-to and little things like that you guys might be interested in to knowing. So, just give me a minute. Alright, so what you guys are going to need to do, we're going to talk about cylinder bores. Little tricks that I use to figure out the bore size. Because not everybody's got tools when they're going to look at stuff. So, how I determine if I'm buying a block, which I have bought blocks, is figure out what size of bore it is. First thing you need to know, what block are you buying? Kohler, Briggs, Onan, Kawasaki, Honda, whatever. You got to figure out your bore size before you buy the block. You want to make sure it's not bored out before you buy it. So, for me, this is a Kohler K321, which is a 14 horse. This should have a 3.5 inch bore. Now, everybody's got a tape measure. Everyone's got one. You guys think I'm nuts, but you guys can take your tape measure. Don't use the tip here. Use that end. Sitting right at 3.5. Now, calipers are getting pretty cheap. This is a cheap one. There's a tool shop. Everybody's got one of these. Now, you guys are saying, well, that one ain't accurate. You guys are going to say my Blue Point ain't accurate either? Yeah, I do have tools, guys. High end. Even though I sold most of them. .50. .50. Now, the tool you guys are going to need. To get yourself one of these pocket rulers. You can go to Menards to get them anywhere. Menards has them, Lowe's has them, Home Depot's got them. Get yourself one of these. It's on the back. And it's got all your decimal conversions. Now you guys are saying that's something new. Not really. I've owned them for years. I have all different ones. This one's from 1/64th all the way up to 63/64. But that's when I used to make tools. But that's besides the point. But this thing right here will help you. So we know this 1.5 is half an inch. So we got another cylinder over here. This is all from a KT-17. Got a busted cylinder jug, which I need a new one, but that's besides the point. Now this should have a factory bore of a 3.125. So 125 is an eighth of an inch. But I know, I believe this motor's been bored out 10 over. I think it was this jug or the other jug. And again, .118. This jug hasn't been bored out. Now to make sure, give it a minute. Now we do have a problem with this bar. $10,000's over. Now it's miking out to 1.35. So, where's my tape measure? Alright, now it's actually working like it should. I'll get you guys up here. See how that 1/8 of an inch is over? Because like on here, that 1/2 an inch sitting right on the ridge. And see how 1/8 of an inch is sitting off the ridge? That's how you know if it's been bored out. Just a little tip and tricks. You know, it may get you in the ballpark if you're good enough for reading tape measures like I am, but that just gives you a rough idea. And like I said, get yourself one of these pocket rulers. They got everything you need on them to help you convert it over. If you don't want to use a tape measure, get yourself a cheap caliper set. But that just gives you a little tip and tricks what I do to just roughly know the bore size. And basically, I just use a tape measure, and didn't see that right away, but I did see the 1/8. But if I do it again, you guys can actually see it. So that's why you guys gotta even doing it that way, 1/8 of an inch sits off. So I am getting my tools back around. Even got these type too. So yeah, hopefully that little tip can help you guys out. Maybe you guys will understand what I'm trying to show you, maybe not, I don't know. So I'll catch you guys later. If anybody was wondering what's wrong with this jug, she split, but the block's still good. So there you go. Catch you guys later.